Ready for this? Alright, I'm gonna do number 17. I'm gonna follow the guy that did it, the one I sent you. So x plus y minus. Okay, and then he saw we need to get rid of a variable. In this case, x is the easiest one because is the obvious one, right? So I'm gonna combine these two equations by adding them. So I'm gonna add. So we're gonna get the x is gonna cancel out this one, because negative x plus x is 0, so it's gonna cancel out, and we're gonna get y plus 2y is 3y, and then negative z minus 3z is going to be negative 4z equal to negative 2 minus 4 is going to be negative 6. So this is going to be one equation. So we used this equation, we used the first one and the third one, but we need to use the second one too to get a second two variable equation. So we combine these two right here. Or you could also, he said you could also combine, you have to use the second one, you have to use this one, but you can use it with either the first one or the last one to get rid of the same variable that we just got rid of, x, which is x, right? So we need to do something to get negative 2x. So I think we can use this one because it already has the negative. So we can multiply this whole thing by 2. That way, if we multiply 2 times negative x, we're going to get negative 2x, and we're going to be able to cancel it with this right here, with the 2x. Okay. So we're going to go multiply both sides by 2, and we're going to get, let me change colors, we're going to get negative 2x, and then plus 4y. Wait. Let me do it down here first, because we're not combining them yet. So the result is gonna go here. We're gonna get negative 2x, right, plus 4y minus 2 times negative 3z is going to be negative 6z equal to negative 8. And now we combine this. Now we're able to combine them. So we're gonna get okay, 2x minus 2x. These two are gonna cancel out. This one and this one are gonna cancel out. So that one's gonna be 0, and then negative y plus 4y is gonna be 3y, and then z minus 6z is gonna be negative 5z, equal to negative 5 minus 8 is going to be negative 13. Okay, so now we got We went from 3 variables to 2 variable equations, y and z, right? We don't have x anymore. So what he does is he gets all the way to down variable to just one variable, which is you can either pick y or z, whichever one you want to get rid of. So we're gonna pick. I'm gonna solve for z. So I want to get rid of y because it's the most obvious one, the easiest one that we could get rid of by, I don't know, multiplying one of these two by -1, so that when we add them, we get rid of the y, right? Okay, so this one is going to be -3y plus 5z equal to plus 13, positive 13. Okay, and then we add them. Over here, we add these ones too. Okay, so we add them, and we're going to get rid of the y. It's not going to be there anymore. So -4z plus 5z is going to be just 1z equal to -6 plus 13. What is -6 plus 13? 7. Let me do this on black. Z equal to 7. Okay, so now we got one variable. Now we need to go back. We need to go backwards and then move from one variable. We're gonna use this equation, which is just one variable, z equal to 7, and we're gonna plug it into one of these two equations. One of either in this one or in this one. The two variable equations, right? So you pick whichever one you want to pick. So this one is going to be 3y, and we're going to plug it in to solve for y in this case. So -4 and then 7 equal to -6. So we go 4 times 7 and then -6 plus 28 plus 28, 3y equal to -6 plus 28 is 22. Divided by 3, right? Which is gonna give us y equal to 22 divided by 3. And then we go, now we have these two variables, z and y. So now we can go all the way back and plug them into one of the 3 variable equations. So to solve for x, right? I'm just gonna pick this one, the first one. Okay, so we're gonna have +7 plus 7 x plus 22 3. I'm gonna leave the fraction for the end. So 5, and x is gonna be equal to -22 thirds minus 22 thirds. X is gonna be equal to Negative 2. What is this? Is it 5 minus 22 thirds? To be able to do this, we have to find the common denominator. I'm just gonna multiply this one by 3. So it's gonna be 15 divided by 3 minus 22 divided by 3. Now what is 15? It's negative 7. 15 minus 22 is negative 7, right? Over 3. And that's how we get it. That's alright, whatever. So we can say that x, they write it down as negative 7 divided by 3, 22 divided by 3.